have candy.
Not in her book.
This.
No, not for breakfast.
Nothing.
No chocolate.
Think.
Until after you eat breakfast. Boy, they're not very excited this year.
No.
The Easter Bunny needs to stop coming.
What's in there?
Popcorn.
Popcorns?
Popcorn. Yeah, you got popcorn too. Yeah. You got popcorn too. I got fishes too.
Fishies?
Oh, I got bubbles. It says peeps.
I like to have an Easter basket with about $1 million in it.
Mm-hmm.
Bubbles and peeps.
My gorgeous boy.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
I got this.
Are you done going through the little one?